Just say,
Say hi. Can you say hi to everybody? Hey guys, and welcome back to another video with me and Baby V. Going to a fair. So we are on the way to a carnival fair. I don't really know. We're in the middle of literally nowhere, and we're doing like this whole walking down here, and yeah. So I don't know. I don't really know what is happening, but we're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it. So.
we're going to the what? Where Baby Valentina at? Babe. She happy. See what he do. Hey, babe.
Is it good? Don't drop it, baby. Yeah.
Put the feet in there. Do the feet, do the hand.
waste your time. Keep fighting, even if you drift and fall. Look down, mountain, still stand down. Believe yourself and keep on running. Stay
So, oh my gosh. Okay, so we came to the fair and I'm feeding the baby, and my mom is like so uncomfortable. She's like, you should just get a blanket, or you should just, it's so funny to me how how she thinks about it that way. But yeah.
Fly away to the sky, shining bright like a sunshine, dreaming high like the stars, dancing through with the clouds. And every day we search.
Ed and Liam. Who's that girl? Hey, 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 hey.
Fly away to the skies, shining bright like a sunshine, dreaming high like the stars, dancing through with the clouds. And every day we search a meaning, every cloud has silver lining. As long as you are still breathing, don't waste your time. Keep fighting, even if you drift and fall. Look down, mountain.
Pero ya lo perdoné. Dos días anduve triste, más luego me olvidé. Pa' tomar quería un pretexto, pa' tomar quería un pretexto. Y contigo lo...
¿Qué le digo?
No man.
Neta que te lo están sudando. ¿Sí? That's the bone, you don't need the bone.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Fly away to the skies, shining bright like a sunshine, dreaming like the stars.
Mira, cuando la cookie no se acabó.
Yeah.
Sale lana, por ejemplo, güey.
Nomás anda detrás de ella viendo el pelo.
As long as you are still breathing, don't waste your time. Keep fighting, even if you drift and fall. Look down, mountain, still stand down. Believe yourself and keep on running. Stay.
So hey guys, I am so sorry that I'm so close up, but I currently don't have a shirt on. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. Just wanted to let you guys know, thank you guys so much for watching this video and other videos. We are gaining subscribers, you guys. We're at 68 subscribers, and I know my goal was 100 before the end of the year, so we are gaining on that goal. I wanted to let you guys know that this was like family time. We had went up to the middle of nowhere in Virginia and just went to a carnival and just several different things with, I guess, just the summer. So it was Valley's first time doing a couple of different things, and it showed me how fearless she is. By the way, guys, I do have my retainer in, so that is currently why I sound the way that I sound. But I did want to just mention, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have an amazing night, morning, or day, and bye!